What's up, gang? Back with the live trading day. Really nice look on square today. Tail bar, tail bar, tail bar. Off good location. Oh, Took an entry there. A bit late of an entry. But fuck it. Stop is at 65 or 66. So that's about 40 cents. Triggered on confirmation here. Boom. I have an event stop over the top at 66. Could have squeezed 3 lots in there, but shit. Triggered at 29, got filled at 27. So we can't really afford another one. So it's okay. It's looking nice off the 5 too. This 8, 1 hour has room to drop until here. Let's get a look on the daily. Oh, daily. Price has been in a downtrend. Price is trading below that maze. Exactly what we want to see. Nice, beautiful follow through. Now we're just looking for ads. Hopefully this just trends until we leave today. Shit. I mean, that was a big ass red bar. It's kind of getting retraced, kind of heavy. But it hasn't violated anything yet. I really like the look on this on all time frames. There's nothing to the left. Price is free to move. Oh shit, there is something though. The whole number right here, 44, I just saw it. It's bouncing off that whole number pretty strong. Perhaps we get a hidden color change here. And if we do, I would want my stop over this big bar. 41. 41 minus 27 reduces risk to 14 cents a lot. 28, 100 minus 28. I could add 72 bucks of risk. So that is what? 5 plus 4. 5 plus 25 divided by 30. I could add 2 lots here if it triggers. I mean, this big bar shouldn't really be violated, but you know. Just waiting for something to happen. I'll be back to update y'all if I add or anything. AMD 1 minute chart looks pretty nice. I mean, all it's been doing is dropping though, but it just filled the gap. Would off this 200 could it potentially trigger something? But this 5 doesn't look so hot because it's clearing down off that 200. So we're in a bit of drawdown on the square trade right now. S-Bucks looks pretty good actually. I like that. I like the look on that. Yeah, price is clearing everything to the left, which is typically what I like to see. Right? Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Just really has room to move up. So, I mean, the first entry, the first color change happens here. It already happened, so we gotta wait for the pullback. Now you're just counting profit. Now you're just counting bars to take profit. So far you got one push. 2 more pushes, hopefully get a pullback and then an entry. See, that's the bar I don't like to see, man. Tailing right off the whole number. But we have position on our side and fuck, man. Yeah, that's not a good look, to be quite frank with you. Yeah, I'll probably look for an S-Bucks long. Merc for sure also looks decent. But I want to see stuff. CVX with a 180 off of this, but it's quite a bit of support. AMD actually looking to hold maybe. These are tiny ass bars, bro. This guy is a 12-cent bar. If you get 8 lots on that and this thing pulls all the way back up, I mean shit, but you also stop out real quick. Here's a potential tail bar here. Oh, that's the 1 minute, my bad. Yeah, beautiful look on S-Bucks. It's playing out perfectly. Boom, boom. 1 push, 2 push. Waiting for a 3rd push. A bit past that whole number. That's fucking gold. Beautiful. Bar by bar yet to break on the 1 minute. Actually, it broke here by like a cent. Is there a potential add here? I don't know if I'm gonna add off the 1 minute. Because my trade was on the 2 minute. I don't like how much it retraced though. That's kind of a bit crazy. Putting in a red bar reversal, it seems. Beautiful look on S-Bucks, man. I want this bar to wick out, bro. If this breaks to 20, I'm out. 2 bar break, but if it wicks out like that, if it keeps doing that, I'm gonna get an ad. I was hoping for that. I was hoping for price to spike up real quick, show me rejection, and I'll get a 1 lot ad on that. And then I'm gonna try to look for an S-Bucks short or a long, my bad, on the pullback. 30 minutes left to trade. 2 bar break at the 20 and I'm out, or my initial stop, whichever happens faster. Come on, tail out, bro. Let me get a tail bar plus. And it's not. It's really not. It's really not working, man. Oh fuck. I'm accidentally in long, bro. Hold up. Flop. Shit. Just because I had that order there, but I also took it out manually, so that shit triggered. But $84 loss. Let me just do the calculation so that I don't have to fucking. Yeah, I just added fees there for myself. What the heck? Did I not journal this already? Bro, is there not going to be a pullback here? This triggers again on the 5. I'll take it, man. Off the 8, off the 20 here, off the 8 here. This would have stopped me out. Regardless. $84 divided by 2, 42 cents. So yeah, that doesn't look to be triggering. Stopped out. You know, man, honestly, I probably could have trailed this over the top here. Get out at a quicker loss, at a smaller loss. Because it's just such a fucking big bar that if it doesn't get followed through, like what the fuck is it doing? Look at all these bars, and then you look at this fucker. Shit's fucking Moby Dick. Right into the whole number. Like it either busts through or it's gonna bounce. It bounces and never comes back. So, you know, sometimes you have to adjust the plan a little with new information. Because a big bar like this should have followed through. It shouldn't be able to get walked down. And the fact that the very area it bounced off of was the 44 whole number, you know, that gives it reason. But yeah, ended up stopping out at event, so. Best bucks, man. Shit's just going and going. It was a great trade. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 3-1 right there. Potential counter short, but it's not bouncing off anything. It's just because it's extended. Yeah, it just broke there with a lot of room to pull back. Hopefully it pulls back in a chill manner and doesn't just tank down. The AMD did end up bouncing actually. It's messy as hell, but couldn't break that 200 and you get this tail bar here. That 200 is coming overhead though. CVX is pretty bullish. Oh, a potential pullback on Merck. Could look to enter on that. Shit, is this triggering off the 8? Oh no, sloppy. We're not gonna take that. It's fine. If it triggers and goes, and S-Books is the cleanest look today. We're gonna wait for S-Books and that's it. Wow, that is nice on the 2-minute AMD tail bar off the 200. Nice bar follow through. Seems to be rejecting that 104 level. Why is price so jumpy? What is it? Use. Fed Chair Powell speaks. That's at 9 though. Yeah, that's later. What time is it? It ain't 7:23. But the potential gift setup right here, that's a 2-lotter for me to go long if it triggers over the top. Let's see. I have to get in a bit earlier though, because that 5-minute 200 is coming in overhead. I need the next bar to clear over this bar's high for me to take this trade. See if we get it. Potential 2 lots here. Doesn't look like it. Fuck, man. S-Bucks, it's where we want it to be, but it's a bit deeper of a pullback than I want. 50% typically, right? This should pull back like 75%. But that's fine. The 20 is still smoothly rising. We'll see if we get a setup here. AMD still has a possibility of setting up. It's in this fat gift zone right on the 8. It's a nice look to it. You know what? 90 minus 63 is what? 91 minus 62. 91 minus 62 is 30 cents. Could be a 3 lotter at 91. Three lots at 91. In the gift zone, off the rising 8. Let's see. Here we go. 91 3 lots, 91 3 lots. Triggers over the top, we're taking it. There we go. It triggered. Our stop is below the bar. This bar is low 66, this bar is low 63, this bar is low 75. Our stop is going to be below 63, 1 cent below at 62. Perfect. This will probably be our last trade for the day. Going into this 200, so we got to be careful. We'll look to be a bit tighter, just in case it does bounce and reject heavily. But honestly, the 15 gapped up above the MAs. We got a sort of color change here. This could follow through. Hourly 200 is right there. Doesn't look too good. But the 2-minute triggered, so, and that's our trading time frame, so we'll go off of that for now. Let's check on S-Books if that did anything. Kind of did trigger, but again, the drop is a bit too fat for my liking. Apple's actually trending higher. Disney dropping. JPM is going to have a nice look to it. You know, this first leg was nice. It's basing out. This 20 is catching up. Issue with this is this overhead 15-minute 20 has a lot of price action to the left. Merck. We were talking about Merck shorts. I mean, position was great, right? Nothing in the way. It's all white. Plain canvas. Drop. Here was that 3-bar pullback we were debating on. And I mean, it triggered. It triggered and went. Technically, the new high is here. So I want that before I do anything. I think the best way to handle this is to just trail. You know, because this is an area where it could reject heavy right now. And I just got rights to move my stop here. And so I might just lock in that whole number at 104. Below the bar. Below the big bar. Big bar trail. Just let this thing run. Just in case it breaks through that 200, you know. So a couple key areas of resistance here. You got this right here. You got this 200. It's still in that zone. It could still reject. The 15 actually looks good to go long though, to be honest. You got the overhead 105. You got this overhead 1 hour 20. A bit of clutter, but we'll try to extend profits as much as we can. Look to take off 2 lots maybe at the 105 whole number and trail the last one. I gotta go in like 5 minutes though, so hopefully we get a big bar. 20 cents. Hopefully that could just bust through and hit that whole number right now. 10 cents. Come on, hit that, hit that, hit that, hit that. Come on. Boom, bitch. Boom, bitch. Get the fuck out the way, bitch. Get the fuck out the way. I'm gonna start locking in half of this bar. This shit's way too big. Shit's way too big to give up, bro. Just lock in 105. It's an exhausting bar, man. Like shit. Locked in the 105. Got lucky, got safe. And well, fuck. This shit is going up. Hella. Look to bar by bar trail, sorta. It's fucking massive. These bars are so fucking tiny to start off the move. And the bars at the end of the move are fucking massive. So like, that shit's exhausting. Don't be delusional, Victor. That's exhausting. Yeah, it's tailing out. Basically gonna be on the bar by bar break, I guess. Well shit, I guess it never broke bar by bar. You got 16 here, 16 here. Well, it's fine. Gotta go anyways right now. Like I said, this shit was exhausting in the first place already. Then it pushed up another one. Put in a tail bar away from the 20, so the probability of this pulling back is pretty great. Plus, bar by bar never broke until here. But yeah, it is looking bullish as hell, so yeah, it's looking mad bullish. But I gotta go, and we done.